Welcome to TaleNest Sound Explorers. Today, we follow Pipi, our gentle little chick, on her very first ocean adventure. The beach stretches far and wide. Pipi takes a deep breath. Wow, it smells salty and fresh. She tiptoes toward the water, her tiny webbed feet leaving prints in the sand. A wave splashes nearby. Eek, that was cold, but kind of fun. Pipi giggles. Suddenly, click, click. She looks out. There, a dolphin leaping high in the air, its smooth back glistening under the sun. Did you hear that? It sounds like clicking bubbles. Farther down the beach, a seagull cries out. He's calling to his friends. I think he wants to share his snack. Pipi tilts her head, watching curiously. Then, a loud sound makes her jump. Pipi freezes for a moment, eyes wide. What was that? That bark was huge. She looks closer and sees a big, sleepy sea lion sunbathing on a rock. He's just resting. Maybe he was dreaming out loud. The breeze carries happy voices. There are other kids here too. Maybe I'm not so alone. Pipi smiles. A little nervous still, but proud she came so far. Today, Pipi felt curious, a little scared, and very brave. What ocean sound did you like the most? We'll see you next time with more splashes and surprises.